Surge suppressors, also known as surge protectors, are essential devices designed to protect electronic equipment from voltage spikes. These spikes, often caused by lightning strikes, power outages, or the startup of high-power appliances, can damage or destroy sensitive electronics. Understanding how surge suppressors work and selecting the right one is crucial for safeguarding your valuable devices. A surge suppressor works by diverting excess voltage away from the protected equipment. The key component is a metal oxide resistor, or MOV. This component has a variable resistance that depends on the voltage applied to it. Under normal voltage conditions, the MOV has a very high resistance, effectively blocking the flow of current. However, when a voltage surge occurs, the MOV resistance drops dramatically, allowing the excess current to flow through it and safely to ground. This diverts the surge away from the connected equipment, protecting it from damage. Surge suppressors are rated by their ability to absorb energy, measured in joules. A higher joule rating indicates that the surge suppressor can handle larger surges and last longer. It is generally recommended to choose a surge suppressor with a joule rating of at least 600 joules for basic protection, and higher ratings for more sensitive or expensive equipment. Another important specification is the clamping voltage, which is the maximum voltage that the surge suppressor will allow to pass through to the protected equipment. A lower clamping voltage indicates better protection. The Underwriters Laboratories, or UL, Standard 1449 defines the safety requirements for surge suppressors and specifies a maximum clamping voltage of 330 volts for a device to be listed. Response time is another factor to consider. This is the time it takes for the surge suppressor to react to a voltage spike. A faster response time is better, as it reduces the amount of time that the equipment is exposed to the surge. Most surge suppressors have a response time of less than 1 nanosecond, which is sufficient for most applications. Surge suppressors come in various forms, including power strips, wall-mounted units, and whole-house surge protectors. Power strip surge suppressors are the most common type and are suitable for protecting multiple devices in a single location. Wall-mounted surge suppressors are similar to power strips but plug directly into a wall outlet, eliminating the need for a power cord. Whole-house surge protectors are installed at the electrical service panel and provide protection for all the electrical circuits in a building. Choosing the right surge suppressor depends on the type of equipment you want to protect and the level of protection you need. For basic protection of consumer electronics, a power strip surge suppressor with a joule rating of at least 600 joules and a clamping voltage of 330 volts or less is usually sufficient. For more sensitive or expensive equipment, such as computers, audio equipment, and home theater systems, a higher joule rating and a lower clamping voltage are recommended. Whole-house surge protectors are a good investment for protecting all the electrical equipment in a building, especially in areas that are prone to lightning strikes or power surges. When selecting a surge suppressor, look for the UL 1449 listing mark. This indicates that the device has been tested and meets the safety requirements of the standard. Also, check the specifications for joule rating, clamping voltage, and response time to ensure that the surge suppressor provides adequate protection for your equipment. Surge protectors and power strips are not the same thing. A power strip simply extends the number of available outlets from a single wall outlet, while a surge protector is designed to protect against voltage spikes. Some power strips may also include surge protection, but it is important to check the specifications to ensure that it provides adequate protection. When installing a surge suppressor, follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Make sure that the surge suppressor is properly grounded, as this is essential for it to function correctly. Do not overload the surge suppressor by plugging in too many devices, as this can reduce its effectiveness and may even damage it. Surge suppressors have a limited lifespan and will eventually wear out. The MOV components degrade over time as they absorb surges. Most surge suppressors have an indicator light that will illuminate when the device is no longer providing surge protection. It is important to replace the surge suppressor when the indicator light comes on or after a significant surge event. Whole-house surge protectors also require periodic inspection and maintenance. Check the indicator lights regularly to ensure that the device is functioning correctly. If the indicator lights indicate a problem, contact a qualified electrician to inspect and repair the surge protector. Lightning is a major cause of power surges and can cause significant damage to electronic equipment. Lightning strikes can generate extremely high voltage surges that can easily overwhelm surge suppressors. If you live in an area that is prone to lightning strikes, it is important to take extra precautions to protect your equipment. This may include using a combination of surge suppressors and lightning rods, and unplugging sensitive equipment during thunderstorms. Grounding is an important aspect of electrical safety and is essential for surge suppressors to function correctly. A properly grounded electrical system provides a low resistance path for surge current to flow to ground, diverting it away from the protected equipment. If the electrical system is not properly grounded, the surge suppressor may not be able to protect the equipment from damage. Electrical codes, such as the National Electrical Code, or NEC, provide requirements for grounding electrical systems. The NEC Section 250.4 A1 specifies the requirements for grounding electrical systems to ensure electrical safety. It is important to ensure that the electrical system in your building is properly grounded and that all surge suppressors are connected to a properly grounded outlet. Many manufacturer websites offer detailed information about their surge protectors, including specifications, features, and warranty information. These websites can be a valuable resource for learning more about surge suppressors and choosing the right one for your needs. Additionally, independent reviews and comparisons can provide unbiased information about the performance and features of different surge suppressors. These reviews can help you make an informed decision about which surge suppressor is best for you. Technical articles and guides can provide in-depth information about surge suppressors, including how they work, how to choose the right one, and safety tips. These resources can help you understand the technical aspects of surge suppressors and make informed decisions about protecting your equipment. For example, the IEE 1100 standard provides recommended practices for powering and grounding sensitive electronic equipment. This standard covers various aspects of power quality, grounding, and surge protection. It can be a valuable resource for understanding the technical requirements for protecting sensitive electronic equipment. In summary, surge suppressors are essential devices for protecting electronic equipment from voltage spikes. Understanding how surge suppressors work and choosing the right one is crucial for safeguarding your valuable devices. Consider the dual rating, clamping voltage, response time, and type of surge suppressor when making your selection. Also, make sure that the surge suppressor is UL 1449 listed and is properly grounded. Protect your valuable electronics from damaging power surges. Some important considerations for selecting a surge suppressor include firstly, the dual rating, which indicates the amount of energy the surge suppressor can absorb. Secondly, the clamping voltage, which indicates the maximum voltage that will be allowed through to the device. Thirdly, the UL 1449 listing, which confirms that the device meets certain safety standards. Fourthly, the type of device, such as a power strip, wall mount, or whole house surge protector. Fifthly, the number of outlets or capacity needed for the application. Sixthly, the warranty or guarantee offered by the manufacturer. Seventhly, the price of the surge suppressor relative to its features and benefits. Eighthly, the reviews and ratings from other customers who have used the device. Ninthly, the brand reputation and reliability of the manufacturer. Tenthly, the additional features such as EMI or RFI filtering. Understanding these factors will allow you to select a surge suppressor that meets the specific needs of your application and provides adequate protection for your electronic devices.